Welcome to the 101-day journey into the world of data science. Today we're diving into an essential part of any data science project: data collection techniques. Before you can analyze or model your data, you need to know how to gather it effectively. We'll cover several methods, each with its unique pros and cons. When using surveys and questionnaires to collect data, you have the flexibility to design your questions in various ways. You can choose to ask open-ended questions, which allow respondents to provide detailed answers in their own words, or opt for multiple-choice questions, which offer predefined options for easier and faster responses. The quality of the data you gather depends significantly on how you frame these questions. Well-constructed questions can lead to more accurate and insightful responses, while poorly worded questions might result in misleading or incomplete data. Additionally, you might face challenges such as bias in responses or low participation rates, which can impact the reliability of your findings. We can simulate survey data collection using libraries like pandas to store responses. This simple script collects user input and stores it in a data frame, which can be exported for analysis. There is no data input validation, so there is a significant risk of poor data quality as a result. Web scraping allows you to extract data from websites, typically by working with the underlying HTML or using APIs offered by the site. It's a highly effective method for collecting large data sets from online platforms like e-commerce websites, social media, and many others. To carry out web scraping, you often rely on tools such as Beautiful Soup or Scrapy, which help automate the extraction process. However, it's important to consider the legal and ethical guidelines associated with scraping. Many websites have terms of service that either limit or prohibit scraping, so understanding and respecting these rules is crucial. While this method is excellent for obtaining publicly available data, some sites might implement measures to block scraping, making it necessary to plan around such restrictions. In the example code here, we'll use Beautiful Soup to scrape data from a web page. This script extracts and prints all the text inside p tags from the targeted web page. APIs, or application programming interfaces, enable you to programmatically access data from online platforms, making them a powerful tool for obtaining structured information from sources like social media platforms, weather services, or financial markets. To use an API, you typically need to authenticate your access with an API key, which ensures that only authorized users can retrieve the data. The data returned through APIs is usually in a structured format like JSON or XML, making it easy to parse and work within various applications. APIs are particularly useful for real-time data collection, or when you need to gather large volumes of data in a consistent, reliable manner. We'll use the Weather Appicom API from rapidapi.com to get weather data for a specific city. In this example, with a single call, we received a JSON format data with a lot of information about Paris in France, such as local time, temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, wind speed and direction, humidity, and others. Sensors are used to collect data from the physical environment, making them an essential component in IoT, Internet of Things systems. They can measure various parameters such as temperature, motion, or humidity, providing valuable data for analysis. Setting up sensors typically involves using physical devices like Arduino or Raspberry Pi, which act as the hardware to capture and transmit this data. One of the major advantages of sensors is their ability to collect data in real time, making them ideal for continuous monitoring. This capability makes sensors particularly useful in industries such as healthcare, agriculture, and smart city infrastructure, where real-time data is crucial for decision-making and automation. In real scenarios, we would use hardware sensors, but we can simulate sensor readings in Python. This code simulates temperature sensor readings every 2 seconds. As a response, we received 5 random values of temperatures between 20 and 25 degrees. Data collection techniques are essential for gathering diverse types of data, each suited to different contexts and offering unique advantages for building accurate, high-quality data sets. Next time, we'll learn strategies to handle missing data, including deletion, imputation, and flagging, each tailored to different dataset challenges and analysis needs.